Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of denied account on the application of how to fix or how to solve the problem of denied account on the application of Discord. You will go to settings. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page you will go to above, you will search about Discord. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. So please don't forget to support us.